Hey Spike, you wanna play hide and seek? You wanna play hide and seek? Come on, let's go! Okay, so I'm gonna go find a couple places to hide, and then Spike here is gonna try and find me. You good boy, Spikey? You gonna come find me? You stay there. Okay, I'm gonna hide behind the garden over here. Ready? Let's see if Spike can find me. Good boy! You found me. Good boy. That didn't take long. Okay, you stay. I'm gonna go hide again. Spikers! Alright. See how long it takes him to find me this time. I brought his toy. See if it'll get his attention. There you are. Hey, buddy. Good boy. Sit. Good boy, you stay there. Alright, this time I'm gonna hide in the shop. Make it a little bit more difficult. Excuse me, I haven't hidden yet. You cheater. Alright, let's try this again. See, I'll make it a little bit more difficult and I'll hide over here. Spikers! Good boy. Okay, last attempt. Will you be able to find me, Spikey? We'll see. Gonna hide behind the motorhome this time. Right here. Spikers! I hear him coming. There you are. Come here. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Well, it looks like Spike found me every time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, let me know down in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe to our channel for more adventures with Spike, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Huh, Paul? Good boy.